We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. We spend countless hours to ensure that we deliver the absolute best customer service out there. So when we receive a 5-star review like this one, we know we're succeeding in our goal. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much, they keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.